Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to delve into: cloud computing. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious about the cloud, this video is for you. So, grab your virtual boarding pass, because we're about to take a journey into the world of cloud computing. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cloud computing? Well, simply put, cloud computing is the delivery of computing services, servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more, over the Internet. Instead of owning and managing physical hardware, you can access these resources remotely. The cloud offers several advantages. First, it provides flexibility. You can scale resources up or down as needed, making it cost-effective. Second, it enhances collaboration since teams can access and work on the same data from anywhere. Third, it offers reliability, with data backups and redundancy built in. Types of cloud computing: 3 fundamental categories of cloud computing services include Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS. Here, you get access to virtualized computing resources over the Internet. Think of it as renting virtual servers and storage. Platform as a Service, PaaS. This provides a platform that allows developers to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Software as a Service, SaaS, entails the delivery of software applications via the Internet. You've likely used SaaS products like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365. Public, private, and hybrid clouds also come in different deployment models. Public cloud: these are operated by cloud service providers like AWS, Google Cloud, or Microsoft Azure. They serve multiple organizations, making them cost-effective. Private cloud: this is a cloud infrastructure dedicated to a single organization. It offers more control and customization but can be costlier. Hybrid cloud: as the name suggests, it's a mix of public and private clouds, allowing data and applications to be shared between them. This offers flexibility and security. Security is a top concern when it comes to the cloud. Cloud providers invest heavily in security measures, but it's essential to implement your own security protocols to protect your data. Common cloud service. Now, let's talk about some common cloud services you might encounter. Storage: services like Amazon S3 or Google Cloud Storage offer scalable, low-cost storage solutions. Compute: cloud providers offer virtual machines, VMS, that you can configure as needed. Databases: cloud databases like Amazon RDS and Azure SQL Database are managed and scalable. Content delivery: content delivery networks, CDNs, like Cloudflare and Akamai ensure fast content delivery worldwide. Machine learning and AI: cloud platforms provide tools and infrastructure for machine learning and artificial intelligence. Conclusion: to sum it up, cloud computing is a revolutionary technology that's transforming the way we do business and interact with technology. It's flexible, scalable, and can empower individuals and organizations alike. But remember, while the cloud offers incredible benefits, it's crucial to understand its nuances and take security seriously. That's all for today's video on cloud computing. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting tech content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the future, please leave them in the comments below. Appreciate your presence today, and we look forward to meeting you in the upcoming video.